In this video, I'll show you how to get discounts for Lululemon. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and then type in discounts for Lululemon in the Google search box. Then hit search, and then you'll be brought to Google search results. So as you can see, Lululemon coupon codes, 40% at coupon follow. Keep scrolling down. Marie Claire, you got Groupon, Real Tell Me Not, etc. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites. They do offer discounts or coupon codes, but one I like to use is called couponfollow.com, 40% off. So I'm going to click into their website, and if I scroll down, look at it, all the different offerings, and you can see these are verified as well. So up to 10% off, which is verified. You got 40% off your order, 25, 41%, etc, etc. So click on any one of these codes. These codes do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. So to check out an order, or a coupon or discount, simply click on the discount, click on copy, and now paste that coupon or discount at the checkout section of Lululemon to enjoy 40% off your order.